What if I say career is important and being is important, and then get married? So once you're independent, once you are stable in career, whatever career you are, then get married. That's what I wish all the women out there, or all the girls out there. You're listening to Be the Change. This is Jyoti Srinivas, and I have seen many girls being very ambitious and very career oriented, but when it comes to their marriage, when the marriage gets fixed, whether it's love marriage or arranged marriage, I've seen the drastic transformation in them. That they want to sideline their career, or if they are an independent woman, they're ready to let go whatever they're doing. If they're running a business, they're ready to let go it, because they want to, come into a family life, and they want, once they're married, they don't want to earn, or they don't want to be going to work, or taking care of some business, and they stop working. Isn't it weird? It's not weird for many of them, because many of the women are doing that. But have you ever felt that being independent is very, very important for all the girls out there? I have recently met a girl in my own family. She's all of 23, and she finished her chartered accountancy, and she was working in finance department in a very big brand. But once her marriage was settled, her mind was completely transformed. She was manipulated. The boys' side did not want her to marry because they are from a very well-off family, and they don't want their would-be daughter-in-law to be working, or the guy did not want his would-be wife to be working, and she had to let go her career. She had to let go the work she was doing. She was doing so well as a chartered accountant, but she let go of it because the family didn't want her. The bridegroom's family did not want her, and she was also accepting it, not understanding that being independent, being career, having your own career is very, very important. It's not because you have to earn money, fame, this, nothing. But being independent will give you the strength, will give you everything. Trust me, there is no difference. Those days are gone when girls are supposed to have kids and take care of family and all this funda. Now parenting is for both. Both the guy and the girl are responsible for the kid equally. Both the guy and the girl are responsible for taking care of the family independently. So whoever it is who are going into the marriage, before marriage, I strongly request them not to get married unless and then they are settled in some work, or they have their own business, or they have their own work, which means they are not dependent. This is something you should strongly ingrain in all the girls out there. All the mothers, fathers have to ingrain this thing into your child, into the girl child, that you are not meant to be in the kitchen. And I'm not saying that you should not cook or nothing like that, but it's not that women are in somebody who will cook, who will take care of family, who will have child. We are not machines. You should be independent. You should be strong enough to talk to yourself, strive to yourself. When you are independent, if there is any issue going on within you, within your in-laws family, or with your spouse or whatever, even with your own family, you will have that voice to speak out that this is what I'm going through. If you're not independent, if you let go your career, let go your work, and then if you start to think that I don't have to work, I will chill, I will just get married, have kids, that shouldn't be your ambition, isn't it? Then if there is any issue, you cannot tell what's happening, the issue. You cannot, you'll feel very you'll keep everything inside. You'll feel, why should I tell everything? Because again, I'm completely dependent on the family. And even if I go back and leave my husband, if I have an issue, if I go back, then I'll be a problem for my own parents. So that's the reason I constantly tell all the girls that you should be independent. Being independent will make you stronger. It is not for earning name, it is not to show off, it is not for earning fame or whatever. It is to build in the strength in you. You will get to meet so many people, so many kinds of people, and you will understand how people tackle different situations. And you will have the strength to voice over the issues. That's why I want all the parents to strongly make your girl a career-oriented woman. Don't stop her career or her work once she is getting married. If you get such kind of alliance where they are asking the girl child not to work, please let go it. It's fine. It's better than your girl suffering after she gets married. A girl should always be independent. Yeah, that's what I strongly believe. You don't have to beg to buy a small thing. When you're independent, you know what you want. You can express, you can be strong enough. Yeah, taking a break for a while from your career is fine. You take a break, you feel that I have to enjoy the family life. After having kid, I want to take a break for 2-3 years and then come back. That's fine. But letting go entire career, and that's something which I strongly feel is not required. And every girl should be independent. It can be anything. She can do a business. She can do. She can work somewhere. But being important thing is being independent. Taking a break and coming back and doing something is different. But totally letting go is not good for you. So on this note, I just want to tell you that I'll be bringing lots of such videos from my experiences, from whatever I have seen, and also what is really good for the women out there. I want every woman there to be strong, to voice out what they feel, and don't keep everything inside. Nobody is going to talk for you. You have to talk for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.